Slutty, what's going? Hey man, we got motorcycle barely escapes during high speed chase with Blackhawk unit. Before we get in there, bit, make sure you subscribe right now. I ain't gonna do too much talking. Let's just get to it. In me. Bro, I know exactly where this at, bro. This nigga on Gobby Road. Only on Gobby Road. I know exactly where he at. He at Southampton, some shit, some Southampton, bro. Gobby Road, bro. Of course, bro. Of course.
Bro, Southampton Road versus Jones Circle. No traffic. Oh shit. No, he can't grab. 314. Approaching Gobby. Approaching Gobby. Turning right on the Gobby.
That boy on Gobby with it. Only on Gobby, bro. I'm not surprised.
Speeds of 60.
This is Gobby Road activity right here.
Still continue on Gobby Road, approaching Norman Boulevard.
Come on, go. Go. That boy on old net. This old net right here. This my side of town. Go. Where the hell he went? Oh, okay. Yeah, he out of there. Ah, not ATL school. Not ATL school, bro. This old net right here, bro. This is Gobby Road, bro. This is what really going on for real since then.
On the net.
Ah.
Only on old net, man.
Only on old net, bro.
Only on old
Only on old
net.
net, bro.
He get up there.
Bro, only on old net, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this shit too funny, bro. I ain't gonna lie, his ass need to hit the highway right quick. Okay. Yeah, his ass finna hit the highway. His ass get cut in between them cars. Okay. Where the hell he went? Oh, damn, he made a U-turn on his head. Okay. Yeah, man. This my side of town, man. This my hood right here, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I love this shit, bro. This is my area. This is my hood. This is where I'm from, for real. Like, you saying? I love this road right here. This like them roads where I first learned how to drive. Old National, where I'm good. He done left their ass. On God, he left their ass. Yeah, man. See right here, this is old National Highway in Atlanta. Suzanne. This is my area. This is my hood. Suzanne. Hey, y'all see right here? Y'all see right here? This is where Popeye's at. I just left there like a couple hours ago. I just left there right here. I just left from right here.
Cancel and holding that and Ekmore Drive.
Damn, he got away. Damn, that nigga got away. He got away. He got away. He got away. He got away. Yeah, that nigga got away for sure. For sure. Anyway, that be crazy. Like, that's old national for your ass. That's old net for your ass. You saying? Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.